Oh boy. Well, this is a standard coming in now at number 72. And boy, this song is hauling ass up the charts. Talking about Billboard's Hot 100 a week of June 15th, 1963. Up 28 notches from number 100. It debuted at 100. It's up to 72. Doris Troy, Just One Look, is a standard. Summertime 1963. Her real name is Doris Higginson. She recorded another song under the name of Doris Payne. Doris Higginson, I'll just call her Doris Troy. She wrote a song called How About That, which was a minor hit for Dee Clark back in 1960. The song went to number 33 on Billboard's Hot 100. In the early 60s, she worked as a session singer. She sang behind Van E. King, The Drifters, and who else did she sing behind? Solomon Brooke was another one. Some of the R&B greats back in the early 60s. Just One Look, she wrote Just One Look. She had a demo made of the song. Now keep in mind this. Keep this in mind. Doris Troy, she was a performer, but she did not see herself making a hit record. She was not looking to make a hit record. They her demo to Atlantic Records for a song, as a song to be released by somebody else. Presumably as a song to be released by somebody else. But here's the thing. Atlantic Records, they liked the record so much, they rush released it. And the reason why they rush released it, one of the reasons why they rush released it was not only that they liked it so much, but Doris Troy was on tour with Chuck Jackson at the time. And she didn't have any time to go back to the studio and re-record the record. Atlantic, they took the demo, demoed up, put it on a record, and boom, it was out. So the song that you're hearing, the hit record, was a demo, was not re-recorded. Doris Troy, Just One Look. Oh boy. And one more thing. It went to number 2 for the Hollies in England. When they covered it in England, it went to number 2 in England for the Hollies. I think it was in 1963 or 1964 before they got big here in America.